How to delete Outlook account permanently? Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Outlook account. You will land to this kind of page. Now click on this profile icon given at the top right. Click on the option My Microsoft Account. Now you have to pick an account. You can use your own account, or in the case you want to use another account, you can click on this one option. After you pick an account and log in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you can see the option of your info. Click on it. Now scroll down. Over here you will see the option of close account. Click on this option. How to close your Microsoft account? You can go through all these terms and conditions and scroll all the way down and click on the option of continue. Please select an option. Click on the option continue with closing your account. Just scroll down, you will see the option close your account. Click on it. Now over here you will see the option of next. You have to click on it. Now check in for all these options. After you do that, scroll all the way down. Click on this drop down and select a reason why do you want to delete your Outlook account. Once you select the reason, click on the option Mark Account for Closure. With that, you have just set your account to be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Outlook account permanently. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.